Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. This today is going to be the first of a few tutorials that I've got coming up for you. I actually filmed these months and months ago at the beginning of the year, and those of you that have been following me on Instagram know I've been having terrible problems with uploading to YouTube. I think I've resolved it now, so I'm trying to get these uploaded as quickly as I can for you. This first look is going to be just a simple dot glitter look. I've already sculpted out the enhancement, so there's already an extended free edge, and I've applied a thin layer of Udder Perfection buttercream from LE, of course. Once that buttercream has been cured in our LED lamp, I'm going to go in with a thin layer of one-step gel, and this is what we're going to use to adhere the dot glitter to. So the viscosity of one step is really good for this because it's nice and thin, so you get a nice thin sticky layer for the glitter to stick to. So the most important thing here is we do not cure this layer. So once we've got that thin layer on, I'm going to go in with my dot glitters, and these two I absolutely love. They are from a brand called Diamond Glitters, and I got them years ago, so I will try and find the link. I think they're still available, so I will try and find the link and pop them in the description box for you, along with all the products that I'm using today. And as you can see, I dipped the dotting tool into my one-step gel, and I'm using the gel on the edge of that dotting tool to pick up the individual pieces of glitter. Looks like it's really time consuming, but actually once you've got the hang of it, and if you've got enough product on your dotting tool, then this is actually fairly quick and easy, but it's super effective. And once I've filled the majority of the nail with the larger selection, then I'll go in with these really small holographic pieces just to fill in any little gaps that I feel are a bit too big. I want to get fairly good coverage from these dots. And once I'm happy with the placement, I will then put this into cure. So I recommend double curing this, just to make sure that the gel underneath the dots has fully set. And then I'm going to go in with a layer of Extreme to encase the dots with. And the reason I use Extreme is because it's super clear, so the white dots still look super white, and I just find that it gives you more dimension because it is super clear. And once that layer is cured, I have then gone in and cleansed the nail, and I'm going to finish file this nail. I'm just using a 180 grit file. This was just the files that I was using at the time, but I absolutely love the Lexy files from Light Elegance. When I filmed this, the Lexy files were not available in the UK at that point, but now I solely use the Lexy files for my hand filing. They are really durable, nice and flexible, but without being too bendy, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I'm just using a 180 grit file to finish file and just smooth out the surface of the nail. And then once I'm happy with the surface of the nail, I then buff with my Holy Grail Foamie buffer. Cannot live without this thing. Once buffed, I'm then going to cleanse the nail and to get rid of all the dust and everything, and then go in with a layer of my favourite top coat, which is the super shiny top coat from, again, Light Elegance, of course. And once this is cured, you will see how super shiny it is, and the best thing with super shiny is that it stays super shiny. So here the top coat has finished curing. I always give it about 15 seconds to cool off before I wipe to maintain that super high shine. Wipe it with some cleanser, and then I'm going to add some cuticle oil to finish. And once the cuticle oil has kind of absorbed and I've applied it to all 10 nails, then I like to go in with a nail wipe and just rub the excess oil away from the nail. Now obviously if you're using it at home, you just leave the oil on to absorb, but for pictures and things, I just like to rub the excess away. It makes it super shiny on the nail. The skin looks nice and conditioned, but it doesn't look greasy. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you soon in some more videos. Thanks guys, bye.